You've all heard me talk about Frank Torpy in UCC, but also Mel Mercier, who was a huge influence on me musically. And I basically, every course that he put on in UCC while I was there, I studied it. So from African drumming to Eoin dance drumming, we were dancing around in circles at one stage, having a great time. We did Indonesian gamelan from Java. We did all kinds of hand drumming and bits and pieces and tabla for a year, but also we did South Indian classical music, and particularly Konnakol, which is a vocal percussion. So when you learn to play tabla in India, you must learn to say the syllables and the sounds, and then you transfer that to the drum. So like da, dim, dim, da has specific hand positions and sounds that you make with them. And that kind of developed over time into a tradition that's just nothing to do with the drums, it's just vocal. So we studied that in UCC, and there's one piece in particular that he gave us that I loved and kind of held onto and was kind of working away on at home. And we teamed up and I taught it to Oirr, and then we said, should we put a few bodhrans with it and see what happens? So this is our take on, I think the piece is called Tani Avarnatam or Avarnatam, with a little splash of bodhran. Dim dadim midin takadim dadim midin takadim dadim midin takadim dadim 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 midin takadim dadim midin takadim dadim midin takadim dadim 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 midin takadim dadim 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 midin takadim dadim taki kita ta kita dadim takita dam takita dam takita takadim midin takadim dadim midin takadim
Tani